Banachton to Inzi Gilg, learn Manx introductory video series to getting grips to the Manx language. And in this episode, we're going to be looking at the future, but this time using the future of the verb to do or to make, which is jinu. We've already met it in the past tense, which is ren. Okay, but the future is a little bit more difficult, and it's using ni and had jin. You have to use this with verbs. Okay, and also in this case, we're going to be using it again with merach for tomorrow. Merach. Okay, well, cys daw, Hayley.
Oh, my dealio grammaid.
Yin de sach. Jinu gofrach merach. Shall you work tomorrow? Jinu gofrach.
Ha jinim gofrach a merach.
Na, jin. Jinu gyw ushtabay merach.
Oh, nim gyw ushtabay merach.
Yin de sach.
Jinu gyw ushtabay merach.
Ha jin.
Nach jin.
Ha jin. Nim gyw GST merach.
Oh, tammy did.
Sianei. As cremician mananin, jin a gyw ushtabay merach.
Ha jinne gyw ushtabay merach.
Okay. Joni, Ginny?
Ni e gyw ushtabay merach.
Okay. As cremician ri gori, jin a gyw ushtabay merach.
Ha jinne.
No, yindasak. Jinu chapel merach.
Nim.
No, yindasak. As jin mananin chapel merach.
Ni e chapel uns putting hinge earlier.
No, okay, it's my shen Iliem for I reckon. Yindasak. As jin Joni chapel merach.
Ha jin.
No, okay, madliu. As jinu chicken erin chelvish merach.
Nim Jim Jeekin ever chelvish.
Merach. Yindasak. As cremician mananin jine chicken erin chelvish merach.
Ha jin.
Ha jin. Okay. Joni, Ginny, chicken erin chelvish merach.
Ni.
Okay. As Fiera rigori jine chicken erin chelvish merach.
Ni e Jeekin ever chelvish merach.
Hayley, Jinu gesh Christian radio merach. Shall you listen to the radio tomorrow?
Ha jinim.
Ah, nach Jinu. Jin mananin gesh Christian radio merach.
Ni e gesh Christian radio.
Ah, Jin Joni gesh Christian radio merach.
Ha jinne. Ha jinne gesh Christian radio. Ni e Jeekin ever chelvish.
Ah, Tammy Tickle. As cremician ri gori, jin a gesh Christian radio merach.
Ha jin.
Okay, yindasak. Well, hopefully that's good enough to get you up and running with how to use ni and hajin in the future tense. Remember, it's the future of the verb to do or to make, jinu, and you have to use it with verbs. Shene, Hayley, gurumai mored.
Shay the vey, won't you?